In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand in Google Meet. If you're in a Google Meet call and you want to speak without interrupting someone else, the raise hand feature is a simple and helpful tool to use. It lets everyone in the meeting know that you have something to say, while keeping the conversation organized and professional. This is especially useful during classes, team meetings, presentations, or any group discussion where multiple people may want to talk. To raise your hand in Google Meet, start by looking at the bottom area of your meeting window. This is where you'll find the main meeting controls, such as the microphone, camera, and other call options. Find the hand icon in that lower toolbar. Once you see it, click on the hand icon below the meeting screen. As soon as you click it, Google Meet will show that your hand has been raised. In most cases, other participants and the host will be able to see this notification, which lets them know you'd like a chance to speak. This is a polite way to join the conversation, especially when someone else is already talking or when the meeting is being moderated. If you're having trouble finding the icon, make sure your meeting controls are visible on the screen. Sometimes moving your mouse can bring the toolbar back if it fades out. Also, depending on your screen size or device, the layout may look a little different, but the hand icon is usually still located in the bottom control area. Using this feature can help meetings run more smoothly because it reduces interruptions and makes it easier for the speaker or host to call on people in order. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in online communication, especially in larger meetings where many people are participating. Once you've had your turn to speak, you can usually click the same hand icon again to lower your hand, so the meeting stays clear and organized for everyone else. That's a good habit to keep in mind whenever you're using this tool, and that's really all there is to it. If you want to raise your hand in Google Meet, simply click on the hand icon below. It's quick, easy, and a great way to communicate respectfully during a meeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.